Hey guys, for my YouTube channel, I want to start a series on the Django project. Our first video is going to be making a virtual environment, and from there we're going to start. So right now, as you can see, I'm in my main directory. So I'm going to go and cd into my desktop. And then I made another directory called YouTube. So we're going to go in there. And as you can see, there's nothing in there. So what we're going to do now is Anaconda is pretty unique in terms of their commands. So in order to make a virtualization environment, we're going to have to first write conda, and then we're going to have to create a name. We're going to call it project. And our Python version is going to be 3.7. It's just something I'm more comfortable with using for now, and I think 3.7 has all the modules and everything ready for us. So right now it's solving the environment, and now we can press Y to install all our packages. And as you can see below here, it says for us to use our environment, we have to write conda activate project, which is the name of our environment. And if we want to get out of our environment, we just write conda deactivate. So let's go ahead and activate our environment. So right here, it indicates that our project is our lead in, and we're not working on our base, our hardware. We're working in a virtual environment. And since we're on there, we're going to have to first go ahead and install our module. So since this is a Django project, let's go ahead and install that. For the Anaconda prompt, just as we mentioned before, we're going to have to write conda first, then we can write install Django. This will install the packages regarding Django. Just press Y for yes. Now the next step for us is to make a project. So the way we do that is first type in Django-admin start project. And then we'll just call it project for the sake of simplicity. And now when we ls, we'll see project is a directory in this folder. So we'll go ahead and cd in there. And we see we have a project folder and a managed.py file. Just for checking it out and seeing if it works, we're going to go ahead and try it out. So we'll just type in Python run serve manage.py run server. Over here, as you can see, this is an address that popped up. We can type this into our address bar and see the default page that comes with every Django project. So now, as you can see, we're on our, and since this internal server is running with the default page, you can see this running. As the tutorial goes on, we're going to start editing this page and adding a database in the background and starting to make a couple more widgets on the page and see what we can do with it. Now to stop the internal server, we'll just press Control C, and as you can see, now nothing's running here. And that is it for our first video. So first we made a virtual environment using the Anaconda PowerShell, and we installed Django, and we saw an internal server with its default page. I hope to continue this series and see where we can go from there.